Well, after having had a very disappointing day working on the Black Norton, I invited my good buddy Bill over. Bill is a machinist of exquisite talent, and I showed him that this is a 9/16 shaft with 20 TPI SAE threads on it, and that this nut that is supplied by the company that makes the electric system is a 9/16 bolt with 20 TPI SAE threads in it, and that it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. I mean, you just couldn't make it go on. Well, Bill said sometimes tolerances are such that the inside tolerance and the outside tolerance of that are each at their maximum, and what we should do is run a 9/16 20 TPI tap through this nut. Now, I didn't have one out of all these dies and taps. I didn't have one, but my good buddy Roger did. So we ran this tap through this nut, and it now fits on this shaft beautifully, as if it were intended, which it was. So now it works perfectly, and I can now put the rotor on.
Bye, Frank.
See you later.
Later, Bill. Thanks for coming by.
Not a problem.
And so now the nut works, and I can put the rotor on, and I can set the timing, and I'll try to get to it,
It's funny.
round to it tomorrow sometime.
Oh,
And this really does
so
fit.
My shop smells different than this one. It should smell the same.
He sprayed them up with
I swear, it does go on. I've had it on. There it goes. Okay, so
that over.
it's on beautifully. So I will put this together, and I will set the timing, and I will set the timing and try to start this bike tomorrow.
Almost did.
Good news.
Don't forget the oranges in the